see the shadow. It's one of the many mysteries that make the temple so unique and spiritually powerful.
बोलो श्री जगन्नाथ भगवान की. My dear brothers and sisters, on behalf of trustees and all the committee members of Sri Hindu Seva Mandal, I welcome all of you on the auspicious occasion of Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra. If we start speaking about Lord Jagannath, it may take days and days to explain, but shortly I will tell you something about Jagannath Temple's miracles. First miracles, as Gita Ben has given the question to the child, that the Jagannath Temple's height of the Jagannath Temple is 214 feet high, and on the top of the Jagannath Temple there is a flag is flying. Every day the priest, Pujari, changing the flags. But if we are flying kites or anything, the kites are flying in the direction of the air. Where the Jagannath Temple's flags is flying opposite direction of the air or of the wind. And that is one of the miracles. Science couldn't solve the problem. That is the first miracles of Lord Jagannath Temple. Now goes to second. Jagannath Temple height is 214 feet. The birds are flying on the top of the temples. All the temples you find that birds are flying. But on Jagannath Temple, not a single bird is flying on the top of the temple, as well as helicopters or planes are not flying. As it if we say that Lord Jagannath is telling, nobody is above me. That's why nobody can fly on the top of the Jagannath Temple. Now let me tell you that prasadam of Jagannath Temple. Jagannath Temple every day preparing 20,000 people's prasadam. And during the festival, they prepare for 30,000 peoples. But sometimes during the festival, more than 100,000 peoples are coming and all peoples are getting prasadam. There is no shortage of any prasad. And even when the closing the temple at night evening, that not a single particles of prasadam is remaining. That means no wastage of prasad as well as no wastage of shortage. That is the main Jagannath Prabhu's Asirvad. That prasadam they are preparing in old style. That means they are preparing by the clay pots. Big clay pots are first keeping very big clay pot, then second, third, seven, and all about 7 pots they are putting on the top. And down they start firewood. As per science, first pot is getting more hotter and heat is getting more. But as per Jagannath Temple, 7th pot will get more. First will be the prasadam ready on the 7th, then 6th, then 5, and then 4. This is another miracles of Lord Jagannath. If you are going to speak like this, there are so many miracles there, but because of time and everything, there is you see that 214 feet height, but there is no shadow of the temple throughout the day. From morning to evening, you will not get the shadow of the temple. And when the Jagannath Temple, when you go there, there is a beach of the ocean, and those waves of the oceans are coming too much. There is too much noise is coming. But when you are entering the Singadwar, outside the Dwar, you will find too much noise. But when you are going inside, just one step inside, there is a pin-drop silence in the temple. Because Lord Hanumanji is a guide of this temple, and he is not allowed extra noise or air, because Hanumanji is a Pavan Putra, so they is controlling all the things. There is not a single noise is coming in the temple. Pin drop silence we find it. This is all the things. Now I don't want to take more of them. Thank you for giving a chance to the Hindu Seva Mandal and also and priest Bhattu Gopal Das for organizing such a nice Rath Yatra, and for that Rath Yatra, and thanks to all the peoples. If you are coming here, you supported us, you came in the Rath Yatra, that's why we are here to support and you support us. Thank you very much. And one more thing to tell, there is a prasadam they have prepared. ISKCON temple has prepared the prasadam. For prasadam, delicious prasadam has helped us, and our sisters has helped us to preparing the puri. So thank you all the peoples, and thank you very much for this one. Jai Jagannath.
You have to remove shoes when you are going the dance. Okay, with shoes don't go. Because there are diabetes.
Okay.